Today we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Getcontact app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on order down here. When you click here on order, it's going to take you to this list and all you have to do. So you just click uh, here on your profile. So then it's going to take you to this list and all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on this sign here. So when you just click on it, then here can you take a photo. Here you just click on it. So then here can you just click on allow, then it's going to take you to your device to choose photo you want to add on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.